Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video we have a first impression for a skincare product by a new skincare brand that I've never seen before or heard of before. EARTHEN Skincare, they just recently sent me this box and I am here to give you guys a first impression of this little thing in here. So we're gonna go ahead and open the box. If you guys wanna see if I do or do not like this product, then continue watching. The box is pretty cute actually. It has like this whole ribbon around it that's almost like that Tiffany blue color. So I see where they were going with this. That's what it says right there, EARTHEN Skincare. We need to open it up and see what it looks like and what it is. So we're gonna go ahead and open this little box and see what it looks like. EARTHEN Skincare. When used daily, Repair and Lift Serum help to increase the skin elasticity and firmness by enhancing its moisture. Good for all skin types and an especially soothing way for men to find their daily shaving rituals. Now this is the little box here, which is a pretty freaking cute. As I can tell, they're going for that green earthy look, so hence the EARTHEN Skincare name. This is the Repair and Lift Serum. So, I mean, guys, I'm 32 years old. I definitely need to start looking for stuff that are gonna repair and lift this skin. As much as I do take care of my skin, I still have to continue my, skincare routine and my skincare rituals. So yeah, this is the bottle here. How friggin' adorable is this? So it has the little, you push it right in here and it comes out through here. But the bottle is pretty cute though. It's plastic, but they made it look very expensive. So if they're on the more affordable side and they make it look expensive, I mean, they do put an effort in the way it looks. So I am a big fan of that. In the back it has the directions. So it says, apply twice daily to clean dry skin, once in the morning before applying makeup and again at bedtime. So I don't wear any makeup, so I'll just be putting it every morning and every night. So I'm filming right now late at night, so my face is clean, dry. There's nothing in my face. I feel like I say that for every video. My face is naked. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this. So we're gonna talk about the texture, the smell, and how it feels on my skin. We're gonna leave it on for a few minutes and see how my skin reacts to this Repair and Lift Serum. So EARTHEN's, you better be good to me. We're gonna go ahead and put some here in my hand to see what it looks like. Ooh, even the serum itself is like that green color. The same green color as this little tag here, so that's pretty awesome. I like how it looks. Now, it doesn't tell me the amount I have to put on here, but we're gonna go and apply upwards like I apply every other product. So let's go ahead and apply everywhere. We're going upwards motion because it is a lift serum. Okay, so far it has no scent to it. The texture feels like any type of serum, and my skin literally absorbs this so quickly. Like, it's dry already. Does it look like I just got a facelift? I hope so. So I applied the serum all over my face, and now we're gonna wait maybe a few minutes to 30 minutes to see how it feels and if my skin reacts to it at all. I do have a sensitive skin, so not a lot of products are good for me. So I am testing this, I'm doing my first impression, and I will see you guys within a few minutes or 30 minutes. Alright everybody, it's been 30 minutes, well it's actually been an hour. I was Snapchatting, I was watching a video, I'm catching up on some vlogmases from other YouTubers, but it's almost been an hour and my skin actually, it feels good. Noticing this like red bump here and it was kind of like itchy. But yeah, I mean there's a little couple red spots here, but I mean I normally get red anyway, so I don't know if that's the product that's doing that, but I mean this wasn't here, that's for sure, and it was kind of itchy. So other than that, I mean it feels really good. So my first impression with this went really well. I'm going to be using this constantly now because I am going to be wanting that perfect facelift look. Don't need to go to a surgeon to get that nowadays. This little bottle here is 1.9 ounces, so it's pretty good amount in here. Like it says, apply twice a day, in the morning and the night. If you're someone that wears makeup, make sure you apply before you put on your makeup. So I am gonna give this a 10 out of 10 because it is a good product and it feels really good. I like that it doesn't have a smell to it, so it doesn't smell like anything and it feels good on my skin. My skin absorbed it really well and it dries quickly, so I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. So I'm definitely gonna recommend it to you guys. I'll put all the information down below so you guys can go purchase it if you want to. I don't have a discount code for this, but hey, I'm gonna send this to the PR people and hope they like this video. Thank you guys for watching this first impression video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys want more first impression videos, then give this a thumbs up and let me know what other products or skincare, whatever you want me to do a video for, I will do it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. My name is Tonydelarocha and I make review, plus size fashion and lifestyle videos. So subscribe. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers, so hit that subscribe button and become part of this little family. Don't forget to follow me on social media. It'll be all down there. So go and follow me. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.